Hello from northern Vietnam. So we're currently in Ninh Binh, which is on the Red River Delta, and you can see there's beautiful limestone mountains, rivers, streams, and incredible nature. It is in the middle of January, it's cold, there's not a ton of tourists right now. We drove down from Hanoi, which is an hour and a half away, and we're gonna be here for a couple of days, so let's go explore. So our hotel provides free bikes, which is really nice because it is one of the best things to do around Ninh Binh is just to bike around. We're gonna go do a boat tour, so we're planning to just bike there. That's where we're supposed to go on, I guess. So this is the entrance before you go on the boat. It's really cool. So this is Route 1, Route 2, and Route 3. So you have to choose one of these. Which one do you want to do?
2 sounds good.
2 takes 3 hours, passing through 4 splendid limestone caves and 3 spiritual places. We're gonna go in there. It looks very low too. This is the Hang Mua cave, 60 meters.
I can't believe like the ladies that do it can row like 4 people for 3 hours.
They're really strong. I wouldn't be able to do it. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Watch your head.
Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. It's like stretching. It is a new day, and now we are gonna go to Hang Mua viewpoint, which is like a really steep hike up a staircase, 500 steps or something, and the views are really, really incredible. We're not experienced motorbike drivers, so we're getting everywhere around on bike. And just so you're aware, there isn't a ton of grabs or like taxis around the area either. So here's the start. Ready?
Ready as I'll ever be.
Not much more to go. There, I think. We've made it to the top. Good thing it's cold right now because I would be sweating buckets. I actually like the fog because it gives it a gloomy, mysterious vibe. It's very nice. So it's 100,000 dong to even enter to do the hike up that we just did, but it includes like Mua Cave, which we're walking to right now, and there's a really nice walkway over here. Wow. Ooh, it feels warm in here.
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh, look at this tiny dog looking at the water. So I think the dog was really curious about the drone, and I started running just for the drone shot, and the dog chased after me and then hit me accidentally. It was so funny.
I thought I was gonna bite you because it was like sprinting right after your butt. All right, that is a wrap here in Ninh Binh. I'm pretty sure you can just do everything that Ninh Binh has to offer in just a few days. We definitely enjoyed the surrounding mountain areas and like the boat tour. Learning about the area was really fun. Unfortunately, the sun never came out. I was really looking forward to just like seeing how it would look here with the sun, but can't control the weather, so what are you gonna do? As for now, we are headed off to Hanoi for 4 nights and then still just booking as we go. The journey continues. That's it for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.